So here's how it works out. If you take these two rivets here and you split them in half, it's about 1.75 inches right down in the middle. And then you measure down from that rivet down 2¼ inches, mark a spot. From that rivet straight down 2¼ inches, mark a spot. And then you take the halfway mark there and you come down from it 4¼ and mark a spot. Those are the places you're going to drill your holes. And I just set those lines up by matching up with those rivets up top. So those are about where the holes go that we're going to drill into this so that we can get to the bolts that hold the window motor. Now before I do anything else, I need to stick some sort of stopper in here. There's this kind of flanged area right up here, the top of the window. I've got myself a typical dollar store door wedge. I'm going to set that sucker in there nice and tight. And then I'm also going to come around and tape the back side against the window back here so my hand is reached around the back of the glass. And I'm going to tape that right there with some blue tape, some painting tape. I've got brand new window belts there, weather stripping. There's a good guy on YouTube that'll show you how to do that too. So let me go tape that. And there that is. So I've got that taped behind the glass with some blue tape here. That's 2-inch blue tape that I used. And I've got a door wedge in the top here pushing against the glass so that hopefully it won't fall down. It shouldn't. And it's time to drill some holes. And what I've got here is my drill with a real simple hole saw on it. That's all it is. It's a hole saw that's, it's for a door hole saw. But it'll work on this metal. You'd be surprised. So, position myself here. And I'm going to go on ahead and tap some starting spots into that. Maybe even drill some small holes where those crisscrosses are. Be right back. Alright. So I've gone on ahead and done some starter holes. One there, and one right there. Those are my starter holes. Now I'm going to begin the process of just drilling with my hole saw. Makes a lot of noise. Okay, I'll get back to you when I'm done drilling. Alright, we have holes. And so you can see down in there, you can see that nut head, and that nut head, and that nut head. All deep inside the hole. So now, I'm just going to pull those guys out. Loosen them all. And spit them out. Trying to do this with one hand is a little rough. There we go. I'll go on ahead and drop that out. Before I do that though, I need to take out that, and that's the plug that's holding the thing on. That's just a pinch grip. Come on, baby. Pinch and pull. Okay. Come on. Oh, figures it's being rough. Hold on. Alright. Pulled that out. Now I'm going to pull these out. One. 3. Now I'm going to reach back in here with my hand and pull loose the motor. See if I can go back with this hand and get it loose some. Okay, so there it is, and that's the motor I got there, and there's my new one. It's got a little bit of grease in there, but it was recommended to me that I grease it up, so I'm going to use some high temp grease, some high temperature grease, since that's all I really have. Get some in the middle there, and get some around the edges. I don't think that's a big mistake. Alright, now I got to reach back in there and fit it back in, and it really goes in pretty easily. So there I am, I'm holding it in with my hand. I got the first screw in. You can see that second one, there's the hole. And there's the third one, there's the hole. Pretty easy to get to. Let me finish putting these in. Alright, we got those babies in. There you go. So now we'll just tighten them up. Tighten them up, and now I'll just go on ahead and put this back in and attach it to where it goes. And I'm finished. It was recommended to me to grease all these tracks again that are inside, so I'm going to go through and grease all the parts of the what they call the regulator. And the gears there, all the gear wheels. Get everything greased up, and that's the way it's done. Hope this helps you out. Goodbye.